On the road again. How we love to be on the road again. Hey friends, this is the Miss Volfie from our half-acre homestead, and it's Canada Day weekend, and we're at Nephew Mikey's for a barbecue. Well, it's been a long time since I got to play with fireworks. So I said, can I modify them? And they said, okay, and they brought them out. These are already modified. So Mama Volfie went to the store. We got fireworks, Roman candles, sparklers. We got some welding wire and some Gorilla duct tape. Please folks, do not do this at home. I am not a professional, I'm just stupid. All right? All right, I have a bucket. And let's pick our poison. If I'd have known the camera was gonna work, I would have taken it into the fireworks trailer, right?
Yeah.
This is Andrea,
Hello.
my new camera person, because I don't have a tripod. Shot barrage here, and Andrea went, geez, it moves. And we looked, and sure enough, there was no wick. Why? Look at what this is what you're paying for, folks. Just what I'm doing. Just what I'm doing. So, let's get rid of this. Now we're cooking. Now I remember. It's been over 20 years. I almost forgot what I was doing. I'm not lighting these, you are. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Tape. Now we're gonna take this one off. They put it in there as a placer. Now we're cooking with some proper wick action. See, I operate under the misconception that if I'm doing something crazy or something creative, somebody's gonna wanna see it. One video, I cut down a tree. I had a couple people go, never do that again, because I used a chainsaw. Oh no, I took apart a big one and this is all that was in it. Trust me, I know what I think I know what I'm doing.
We think we know what's going on.
Now watch. Keep them all straight. If one goes off at an angle, you can hurt people. Don't do this at home. This is not a how-to video. This is a how I do it video. Now these are put together and packaged by professionals. Taking them apart is dangerous and stupid. Don't be stupid. Watch me be stupid and blow my face off. Actually, Papa's gonna do that. He made the mistake of giving me money and sending me to the fireworks trailer. We've taken a piece of duct tape and we've put it sticky side out, and we slide it right down in here. Tape hits this one right here.
No.
Oh, okay.
This bugger.
Good eye. Oh no, he's on there.
Oh, is he? All right.
All right, now I'm just going to take a little piece of wire. That just made things a whole lot simpler, and we just, because this little guy's short. Now, this is basically just a place marker. It really doesn't need to be tight. We just want our grouping kept together. So we'll tuck these wires down.
Much better.
Much better. All right, that's the only modification change I've made. I don't want you to watch me sweat anymore. We'll be back later when we're shooting them off. Sorry about the sound of the wind, but there it is, folks. That's what $200 got me. Ever since we moved to Quebec, I haven't been able to do fireworks because we have too many trees. So, this should be fun. Ooh, wow. Oh, I got it! Right on! So, Robbie, are you gonna come to the pig roast? Come on.
I don't know yet.
Oh yeah.
Like I told you earlier, man.
Thursday. I'm gonna phone him.
Thursday before.
And I'm gonna say, Robbie, are you coming to the pig roast? And if he says no, I'm gonna go get him. Bogue, only you can wear that look. Honest to God, beautiful. Gracie and Frankie are learning about neighbors today. Whoa! Good one. There we go. Oh, it's right behind the tree. Oh, mosquitoes. Woo! Nice. Woohoo! Wow. That's cool. Holy shit. Holy crap. Is that one of yours? I don't know, man, but I'm claiming it. There's my morning cup of tea, folks. Before 7 a.m. Canada Day. Well, it's now actually Canada Day, but we're getting ready to go home. Sorry the generator on the coach is so noisy. Did you have a good time, girls? Did you have a good time? Did you meet Max? They met a lot of dogs yesterday, and they were really good. Gracie was a little rambunctious pulling on her leash. She's really, really strong. But we had a blast. No, the really awesome fireworks weren't mine. I think I'll leave that to the professionals from now on. This is the Mrs. Volfie from our half-acre homestead saying, we had a great time, but we're going to head out early because traffic is going to be not bad on Canada Day. Tomorrow, though, it would be insane. So, trailers for sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no food, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes. 2 hours of pushing broom gets a 8 by 12 4-bedroom. I'm a man of means by no means, king of the road.